books and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
Chickys Dinosaur. Go, 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 Blammo! Ha! All right. You're up, Bucky Bud. Come on, come on, come on, come on. No, wrong. Stop. Wait, please. Ooey, I missed again. All right, all right, all right. Franny's turny, turny, turn. Yeah. No, back to the right. Yeah, no, left, left, left. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, all right. Let's hear it for Franny. Woo! Yay! All right, Bjorn, yeah! Your turn to bowl again, Bucky. Not again, no! Phooey! Unacceptable! Huh, where's Buck going? Hands up! Gah! Straight down the middle! What's that thing? Some rock I found. Makes for a great bowling ball. Just the size I need. I'm tired of missing those dumb pins. Bucky, that's not a rock. That's an egg. Whoa. That's a big old egg. I wonder who will hatch from it. Well, if no one sits on it, then it's not going to hatch. You have to take good care of an egg. Sit on it, you say? I have an excellent brain! So, Chicky, just sit there a little while. How long are we talking? 5 hours-ish. No longer. You look extraordinary up there, Chicky. You keep up the excellent work while we make a brief exit. Okay, Buck, enough with the puns. Pretty extreme weather we're having. Bucky. Sorry. Whoa! Chicky, what's wrong? What's he saying? What's the problem? Chicky says outside there's a dinosaur or something. A dinosaur? That actually sounds more like a pterodactyl than a dinosaur. They're not the same thing. That's a lot of sound effects. Yeah. Hey, fellas, come look. He bird-napped Chicky Poo. Here's the plan. We're gonna catch him and whomp him. It's Operation Rescue. Quick, where's my fly swatter? No, we should ransom Chicky back with food. With some yummy prehistoric food. Preferably before it gobbles him up. Where's this dinosaur thing? What's it called? Hairy Baxel? Monster, just show yourself. Please come and enjoy super delicious Jurassic snacks. It's all organic. Hey, guys, look. Huh? Up there. Unbelievable. Whoa. What? Our bird buddy is flying. Bjorn, what's going on? How is Chicky riding the berry waxel? I have no idea, but it sure looks like they've become buddies. Well, do you two suppose we could ride it? Woo-hoo! Yee-haw! Woo-hoo! Awesome! So cool! Fairy fractals rule! It's actually pterodactyl. Larry Flagpole? No, scary tadpole. Not quite. Cherry Blackbill. No, looks like it's time for our pterodactyl to fly away for a while. You have to fly back and see us all the time.
Goodbye! Come back soon! Bucky, you never said where you found that egg, you know?
In the woods, next to those other really giant eggs. Oh, let's all go sit on them. We can all hatch ourselves merry fractals.
Oh, no, for the last time, it's pterodactyl!
The best place in the world. I'm a genius. Oh, hey there, Bjorn. This is gonna rock. It's so cool. Excellent. Plug this in. Perfect. And complete.
Bucky, let's go catch dragonflies in the field. Whoa, what is that thing?
This is my teleporter. It can send us to any spot in the world.
Oh, sweet!
Where would you like to go?
Outside, to the dragonfly field.
What's there to see in a plain old field? How about instead, take us to the awesomest place on Earth? Ha! Care to guess? Well, we'll know soon enough.
What are you fellas doing today? Boys, where are they?
Bjorn, where are we?
We're at the North Pole, and those are the Northern Lights.
Whoa! Wowie! The most awesomest place I've ever been! So, when sunrise, I want a bright good look at everything.
The sun will be coming out again in, looks like 6 months.
You mean there's 6 months without sunshine? Not awesome. Let's try someplace else. So, take us somewhere with lots of sunshine. Whoa. Just like I said. Now that's what I'm talking about. It's so bright and warm. Huh? Now this is awesome! I want to do this for the rest of my life! Why did the camel cross the desert? Because it was awesome! That was great. Phew. Kinda hot though, right? Bjorn, do you have some water by any chance?
None. There is no water out here in the desert.
No water here? Not awesome. Yeah, let's get out of here. Go someplace with lots of water. Well, that's too much water. What's that, Bjorn?
It looks kind of like a shark.
A shark? Sharks aren't really my thing. Forget water. Take us someplace that's dry. Wrong! No! Someplace without a volcano! Bjorn? What is this? A sea monster! No! Take us someplace!
Give me that. Just take us someplace.
Do it! Bjorn, come on!
Just someplace that we'll love.
Where are we? Oh, this must be the awesomest place in the world!
Yeah, and it looks a lot like our home.
No way! This place looks nothing like home. Stuff's just all ordinary back there. But dude, everything here's just the awesomest. Just look at this amazing field.
Boys,
Huh?
where have you guys been?
Is that Franny? What is she doing here?
Waiting for you. You guys kind of vanished. Weren't we planning to come to Dragonfly Field?
Sweet Franny, hey! I am just so happy to see you.
Bucky, look! We're home!
I can see that now. I thought we had found the most awesomest place in the entire world.
But we're in the awesomest place in the entire world.
Don't you know yet that your home is the best place? Wow, that is a big one.
Just wait. This one's mine. Hey, come here. Come on, you crazy thing. I should use my machine to transport you into my hand.
Just the right size. Nice try. Almost.
I'm telling you, the trolls are 1,000,000,000% real.
Sure they are.
They're as big as mountains and terribly mean and ugly. Hey, Franny, why aren't you eating cherries? Don't you like them?
I love them, but I can't reach them.
Alrighty then. You know, this tree would barely come up to a troll's knees.
You guys never change. You care more about trolls or whatever than me.
Don't be silly. We care about you, Franny. Hey, trolls don't even exist, but you're completely real.
Ooh, Franny! I think I know what can be done to help you. Hey, we're gonna build Franny something. A fancy ladder just for her so she can reach the cherries.
Awesome plan.
My workshop is out of bounds for little kids. Hey, why don't you go swing or something? We'll be right back. Bjorn, close the curtains. This is gonna be awesome.
No little kids. That's all I ever hear. I am sick of being little. Flying through the sky like a furry butterfly. She's so cool, I'll tell you why. She's Franny, the cool big fox. I am!
Ladders are okay. This'll be way cool. Well, it's done. The larger charger. Hey, where's Fran?
The trolls ate her. She's probably picking flowers somewhere.
Or trying to pick cherries. Let's go find her.
New invention? Larger charger, huh? I wonder if it'll make me bigger. Hey, what happened to me?
Where could Franny have possibly gone? That girl's always so much trouble. It's a troll!
Not a troll. It's Franny, guys.
Franny, guys.
Up here! I know you're in there somewhere. Eeny, meeny, miny, yo! This is getting silly. Come here!
Look, it's Franny.
There.
So you used the larger charger without even asking first.
I just want it to be big enough so you guys would have to notice me.
Well, you're certainly hard to miss like this.
Don't be upset, Franny. We'll think of a way to help.
I don't want to be a troll.
Just stop crying. You're acting like a big baby.
I can't help it. I want to be little like I was before. I don't want to be big. I don't want to be a whale fox.
Franny! Franny!
Huh?
We made something so you won't be too small anymore. Bucky, it's time. Get Franny's big surprise, please.
Oh, please, just not the larger charger.
I've never heard of that, but this is yours. To get at high branches, the Super Climatron.
You made me a ladder of my very own?
A ladder? This is no ordinary ladder. It's a Super Climatron with an advanced platform system and dual bear transport action.
So, Franny, you can pick all the yummy cherries that you'd like now. Come try it out.
Yeah, climatronic, baby! Oh, I'm telling you, the trolls are absolutely for real.
Uh-huh. Yeah, sure they are. I suppose that trolls can just rip trees right from the ground, too.
Yeah, of course.
Silly bears, I just did